Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing great. Like I always promise, I will keep updating you about CEX until the end of the project. All right, so here they drop another information. This information is the last criteria for CEX airdrop. This is exactly how the criteria is going to be. They just send the information here and I'm going to read it out from the beginning until the end. All right, so before we begin, if you know you are new to my YouTube, don't forget to subscribe now. All right, subscribe because I'll keep updating you with informations like this. All right, so let's read this out. Let's see what is going to be the last criteria. We have read all the criteria from the first one. Here is the last one, so let's read it out and see what is going to happen. As you can see, this is Big Sexy official Telegram channel. This is exactly where the listing of cex.io is going to be on. All right, everything concerning the listing, airdrop, TGE is going to be here. And here is the last criteria that we need to pass to be eligible for cex.io airdrop. All right, they say how to be qualified for the airdrop. Step 4. This is step 4. All right, they say how to find the sexi network. All right, sorry, how to find the sexi code. All right, step 4, how to find the sexi code. Pre-qualification starts soon, and this is the final step you need to know. All right, they said as soon as the pre-qualification goes live, in addition to connecting your Telegram ID and wallet, you will also need to find and enter the secret sexy code to pass. Previously, they have mentioned 3 of those qualifications that you need to pass in order for you to be eligible for the PBI, to be eligible for cex.io airdrop. So the first one they talk about is the connection of wallet, and the second one is connection of Telegram ID, and they talk about the connection of email address, and I have made a video on that also. And here is the last one here. They say what you also need to find and enter this secret code. Where exactly are you going to find this code? Let's continue reading. They say the sexi code is a daily 5-digit numeric code shared daily across Bisexy social media. So they say the sexi code is daily 5-digit numeric code shared daily across Bisexy social media. All right, it's 5-digit numbers that are going to be shared every single day on Bisexy social media. But there is a twist. Here is a twist. They said it's not going to be easy, right? Each code has a limited number of entries per day. So each code they released have limited number. If you do not come early, you are not going to get it. That's what they are trying to say here. Let's continue. They said each code has a limited number of entries per day. Only the fastest will make it in. So they say only those who are very fast that will make it. So I don't know how many people are going to be in the same code, how many thousands of people are going to be in the same code, in a daily code, but we are going to see later. All right, so before we continue reading this, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, and I'm going to drop link to my WhatsApp/Telegram channel. Probably the moment they release this information, I'll be copying this code and send to all my groups, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp channel, for you guys to see and do it very fast before others. All right, so make sure you stay tuned and make sure you join my Telegram/WhatsApp group. All right, so let's continue reading. They say the code could be hidden in Telegram posts, X tweets, YouTube videos and more. So turn on notification, stay alert, and be one of the first to catch the drop. The hunt will begin soon. Stay tuned for pre-qualification. All right, so nothing started yet. All these criteria they have mentioned, they didn't started them yet. They are going to start them very soon, and I'm going to keep updating you. That's why I say you should join my group and channel. That is exactly where I'll be updating you. All right, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep updating you until we see the end of this project exactly. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I'm going to keep updating you immediately after the pre-qualification started. Peace.